The case study is applied to the Alcantarilla water treatment plant, and the hazard that we are talking about is enterovirus. And this hazard, the sort of this hazard, is a combination of two hazardous events: heavy rainfall after a long dry period and the presence of untreated domestic wastewater. The combination of these hazardous events was introducing virus, pathogenic virus, in our water source, which is a surface water source. And we realized that this was occurring very frequently. So we are talking about the combination of two hazardous events and one hazard which is called enterovirus, which is a surrogate, a really good surrogate for pathogenic virus. The risk evaluation that we have made followed a semi-quantitative approach, as it is discussed in the WSP manual in Model 4. However, the risk matrix that we used, it was not a 5x5 matrix, it was a 4x4 matrix. In using this semi-quantitative approach, we score a probability of 3. We decided for 3 due to the quality data, water quality data that we had, the rainfall data that we had, the number and dimension of the untreated domestic wastewater that was being released in our surface water. And the severity, it was decided not only by us, it was decided by us with the full support of the regional health authority in Algarve, Portugal. And they give a score of 2. So this gives us a risk of 6. And for Águas do Algarve, a risk of 6 is still considered high, still considered relevant. So we had to introduce an upgrade improvement plan in order to reduce this risk. The first thing that we had was to introduce new sensitization plan to this community that is around the water surface dam. This sensitization, however, was not effective. People did not change their behavior. The other thing that we had to do was to improve the performance of the ozonation, because we have realized that our ozonation treatment stage that we have in Alcantarilla water treatment plant was not quite under control to remove this potential virus, pathogenic virus that were present in the raw water. So we had to introduce a plan to optimize the performance of our ozonation treatment plan. The other thing that we had to do was to check frequently the rainfall, the forecast, after a long dry period, especially after the summer. Doing this, we were expecting to reduce the risk to number of 4, estimated risk of 4 or 2, reducing the probability from 3 to 2 or 3 to 1. And we have realized that we were able to reduce the risk to 2, because we introduced a considerable optimization in the ozonation treatment stage. And also, we and our water safety plant team is alerting the water treatment plant managers when we have heavy rainfall after the long dry period, especially after summer. So the control measures that we have in place is the online residual that is present in the water, which is a critical stage, and this is a critical, where critical limits are set, operational limits are set. Water safety plant team are monitoring the rainfall, especially after long dry periods, and after we have the long rainfall, the water safety plant team is communicating this to the water treatment plant managers, which they change the ozonation treatment step, they optimize in order to reduce in order to increase the possibility to remove this type of virus. So this is it. I hope you consider this information, this video, value for you. And if you need any other information or any kind of assistance, please don't bother, just contact me. Bye.